For this assignment, I choose the example there in the video, the spolarium. It was showed there in the lecture in the video. So spolarium is not a painting by Antonio Luna. It is the masterpiece of his older brother, the renowned painter, Filipino painter Juan Luna. So it is said that it's a massive type of painting. The oil on canvas, 4 by 7 meters, completed in 1884. In a canvas, it's a dark and a powerful painting, suffering of Filipinos under colonial rule. The colossal oil canvas masterpiece secured the prestigious gold medal in Madrid in 1884. Now, the focal point for this visual is that it features Roman soldiers dragging deceased gladiators in the basement. The left side shows spectators scavenging and looting, while the right side depicts a weeping woman mourning her loved one. In the historical symbolism of this, Luna used the violent Roman setting to discreetly critique the oppressive Spanish regime. The victorious European spectators represent indifferent colonizers, while the dragged gladiators symbolize the abused Filipino people. The painting's international victory proved that Filipinos could excel on an equal footing with Europeans, deeply inspiring the Philippine reform and nationalist movement. Okay, understanding the intent is the gladiators, their slain warriors, represent suffering, and abused Filipino people was treated as disposable tools by ruling class. The spectators, the Roman-looking, symbolize indifferent Spanish colonial masters who cared only for their own entertainment and power, ignoring the suffering they caused. And the crying woman, the woman weeping over the dead bodies, represents the motherland, expressing the deep grief and anguish of the Philippines mourning her lost children. So Luna designed the artwork to win international acclaim in a discreet manner, patriotic message to the world. He wanted to expose the harsh reality of the colonialism and awaken his fellow Filipinos to fight for their rights, freedom, and justice. Okay, it talks about also the historical response and the nationalism of Luna. The artistic technique Luna used is a creative, massive, dramatic effect. And then the combination of the color of the elements there is so dark. The emotion is like very painful emotion. And then some light colors also to make the object like realistic in a dramatic effect. So that's how I interpret and analyze the painting of the Spolarium by Juan Luna.